Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing Hollywood curls, also known as pin-up curls, but we're not going to be using any pins. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking down my hair. I already have my one big clip, and then I have 3 other longer, smaller clips. So we're going to section off our hair and where I want to part it. And I'm going to take it from the part all the way down to the ear, and then on the other side as well. I'm going to take these 2 sections, put it up, and I'm actually going to pin this. Next, we are going to take the bottom section and we'll clip the rest. Take smaller sections. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. So now we're going to do that all the way around. Take another section. Okay, so now that all of this is done, I'm going to take the top part, going to part this again where I want it, split this side in half, and just like all the other ones, I'm going to roll it under. So I'll take this, roll all the way to the end, take this other side, okay. Now that this is all curled, I am going to need a comb. You can use a brush or a Denman brush, and then we're gonna pin the curls right here. So this is the final look after brushing it out with the Denman brush. I love it. It's more subtle than it would be if you pinned it, but I like that effect. Kind of sexy. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if there's any other tutorials you would like to see. See you guys next time.